Hello, this is Patrick with Royas, and today I'll be teaching you how to use BBCode and a rich text label to create some really cool text effects, and I insert icons into text as well in Godot using GDScript. All I've got here is just a very basic scene with a tile map and a canvas layer with this rich text label, this rich text label, and I've just got this script attached to it, and that's it. So now let's open up that script. And so the first thing I'm going to do is just teach you how to put some text into that through code. So to put text in, you just type append text, and then you just put your text in here. So I'll just type hello world, and then you close that off. So now let's go and run this. And there it says hello world, but the font is kind of small. You can change the font size through themes and such, but for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you how to do that through BBCode. So you can type push and then font size, and then you'll just type your font size here. Let's say 40 is a good number. And this will push a tag onto the BBCode. So anything after this and before you close this tag will be font size 40. So let's run this and see, and much bigger. So now I'm going to teach you how to put BBCode directly into a text string. So we can do that here. We can go color is equal to uh, let's say red, and then we can close that tag like this, color. And so now we've got that done. Let's run project, and now our text is red. We can also do some other things like we can italicize our text. So we can go I for italicize. And now here's a thing with BBCode is you have to close your tags in the reverse order that you opened them. So the last tag you opened, you have to close before you close another tag. So if we were to type the closing /I here instead of here, it's not going to work. So I'm going to show you that right now. Oh, and it worked there. Oh, I didn't save it. And you can see it's got this italicized and it's got the color tag there. So, but if we move this I tag back to closing before the color tag, there we go. Now everything works correctly. Now we can insert icons into text as well. Oh wait, no, I should actually show you how to push and pop tags on the stack with code as well, rather than just closing tags this way. So you can, let's just push a bold tag, and that'll just make any text after this bold. So then we can go append text, the grass is green. And this text will be bold now, and then we can pop that, and that'll close this bold tag. So whatever we put after this won't be bolded. So now we'll go append text, and then we'll say just, or is it, ... Aha. Okay, now let's run this. Hello world, the grass is green in bold, or is it ... Now, as you can see, that's all working correctly. Now let's put some icons into our text. So I'm going to put a Godot icon in the middle here before the or is it. So to do that, I'm going to go var image is equal to image.new, and then I'm going to go var error is equal to image.load. Oh, whoops. Load. And then I'm just going to get the path from this icon here. And I'm just going to copy the path. Eventually, we will, like if you in your own game, you would do it a different way, but for now, this will work. And then we'll say if the error doesn't equal okay, well, then we're just going to return. And if we don't return, we can go var texture is equal to image texture dot new, and then we'll say texture dot set image, and then we'll just say texture, or no, image, whoops. There we go. So now we've created a texture with the image that we've pulled from this location. Now let's put that into our text. So to do that, we'll just go add image, and then we will just say texture. And then we'll set the size to be 60 by 60 pixels. And there we go. So now let's go and run this. And now we've got our Godot icon in our text. Well, now there's some other cool things we can do with BBCode as well. We can actually make our text like change colors and move and do all that kind of cool stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put that here. We'll put it on the or is it. So we'll say rainbow, and then we'll say frequency. Frequency will be equal to 1.0. And this is how frequently the colors will change in the rainbow for each letter. So we'll set the frequency, and then we will say saturation. We'll set that to 0.8, and then we'll set the value to be equal to 1. Okay, now let's close this. Rainbow. Now let's run it. Or is it? Aha, nice and fancy. Now let's actually make this or is it also shake as well to make it extra spooky. So, the rainbow plus shaking, very spooky. So we'll go shake, then we'll set the rate to be equal to 20. If there's like a space here, it's not going to work. So you got to make sure everything's kind of like nice and tight. Rate is equal to 20.0. And then we'll say the level is equal to 15. And then we've got to close the tag here. Shake. Okay, now let's run that. Or is it? Ooh, spooky. All right. So that's basically how you use BBCode in GDScript. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And if you have any recommendations for anything you'd like me to cover in GDScript or C#, please let me know. Thanks. Bye.